Haru. Be a good girl. Hi, honey. So Haru's left side is where the rumen is. On her right side is where, if she was pregnant, that's where the baby would be. When they're tight on both sides, and especially if they're tight here on the left, that's when they got a little extra gas built up. And one of the things that I've done, sorry Haru, give me a second, done successfully to at least break up some of the trapped gas if it happens, is standing here on her left, standing on her left. I draw her head up with one arm, and I just push in and out, just like if I was kneading a loaf of bread. Here, Haru, here, be a good girl. So you're pushing in and out, you're kind of working that gas around, drawing forward. So I'm pushing down and then pulling out, down and back, and just really working to try to trying to break up those gas bubbles up inside of her. Sometimes just burping, like you're burping a baby. She just let a few burps out. I could feel it with my hand here at her throat. And another thing we try to do is keep their heads up while we're burping them, because the air wants to go up. Now if you put your arm around her head a little bit and hold it up, I know she wants to eat. One thing you can do is manipulate the trachea, and the esophagus. You can kind of massage in between the front legs, where you got a picture where that tube that the food goes in goes down and across in front of her front legs. And you can gently, much more gently than you do up here, gently, just in a circular motion, just kind of like if you had food stuck in your own throat, just kind of ease and massage. And a lot of times that will elicit a burp. I go, oh, she just let another one out. Back and forth between patting like a baby, kneading like a loaf of bread, and gently just kind of helping work some of the gas up. She is nice and flaccid now. She's nice. I can take one finger and poke it in and make the Pillsbury Doughboy. Yes, darling. I mean, there are cases where that doesn't work, but here you go. Good girl. Thank you, Haru.